Hey traders, Parker here with another video or another indicator. This is going to be a quick video. I did an update on the last indicator I created was the TTM squeeze with move average, and that's basically what this is. I took away the volume features of increasing and decreasing volume and increasing and decreasing price average. So I put everything in there according to the TTM squeeze. The only thing I left in there were the two move averages and you could add the Bollinger Bands. Basically everything is the same except for I took away the things that had the move average. I mean that had the volume in there. So in this indicator now there is no volume. There's still the two move averages. Everything else is the same. You can see that it lines perfectly with the TTM squeeze. The only difference is that the squeezes are from another squeeze indicator. And you can see right here, you had a small squeeze right here and it pushed above. But for the most part, it's going to color the bars like this. Another strategy that I wanted to show you guys was my scanner. This is my pre-market scanner. The basic things you really want to look for with the pre-market is volume and shares, and you want to see a high turnover rate. So this stock that's going above or is shooting up right now is GDTC. It's a healthcare stock. I didn't look at the news, but you can look and see that it only has 11 million volume and it's almost a million, well, a million and a half in volume. So it's pushing. So it's high turnover rate. It has high turnover rate in this stock when it comes to shares versus volume. The other thing I look at is things being above its pre-market high and pre-market low. The VWAP, if the close is above the VWAP or below the VWAP, and things that are making new highs. So this is pre-market, so this is going to be inaccurate. It's going to take everything from the previous day, and this is the close from the previous day. It's a simple indicator. It's already on Thinkorswim. If you just put in yesterday's close, it's already there on Thinkorswim. And I just match it up with the mark to see what's pushing. The scan I'm using, it automatically defaults to shares. So it automatically default. It'll sort the stocks according to their share count. So the shares with the lowest shares will be first, and then I just sort that for volume. So I'll go ahead and show you my scanner, and that scanner is the pre-market. Let's see. So A1 pre-market. So I look for anything with over 300,000 volume between 50 cents and $50. And you can see right here where shorts everything according to shares ascending. So the least amount of shares will be stocks with the least amount of shares will pop up first, and then I sort those by volume. And that's pretty much it how I do my pre-market. And the other thing that's I usually add on here is I want to know what went on during the day. So this is my indicator that shows you the day, week, month, and all these different levels for the most part. So this is the pre-market level. Here's your pre-market range actually. So this is your pre-market low, pre-market high, and this is your 78.6 fib, your 50, and your 2140 fib right here. I didn't put the 61.8 and 38.6 in there. I found these three right here being more useful than those. So this stock is pushing. You can see it's pushing on good volume. It's been colored by the TTM squeeze. The TTM squeeze actually it found this squeeze. You can see where this is squeeze 3, so it's not a very high squeeze. But for the most part, you got to squeeze, and then you can say it fired over here. So everything in here is all these colors are according to the TTM squeeze. I left in my Momo, so the two move averages are moving up together. You'll get this green dots right here, and they just sit in the middle of the two move averages. And you can see how this stock is steadily pushing. What else I want to show? think that's generally it for this. If you didn't want the bars to be colored, so paint the bars, no. And let's color it according to my volume. And you still want to use the TTM squeeze, hey, it's still in there. It's still coloring the actual move average. And this just all gives you a heads up or help you make a better decision. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just some information that I've gleaned over the years trading, and I'm trying to provide you with a better edge in your trading as well. So I hope that you found this information useful. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And always stay safe and God bless.